All right. Yeah. Oh, there we go.
All right, we got light.
Lead the way, son. Onward.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thanks, Fry.
Anytime you're coming in and out while you're shooting, just make sure one door closes before you open the other one. The whole airlock thing, because it really sucks to be standing out there with no air protection. Yeah, when people shoot bullets, that's what these guys have.
Go on, you gotta get the whole.
All right, look at this. Look at this. Ah. Oh, there you go. What a princess. You should have brought your tiara.
That feels great. Whoa. Hey, it would kill the noise.
It would.
And the Navy SEALs that were in here earlier shot. Alright, any of the lanes you want, tape the target slightly lower on the board. You don't end up shooting up if you would, please. Right. And pick any of these other than 9 and 10, because those are for centerfire rifle.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right. Trip, you're our mom today.
Yeah, you are.
Yeah, excellent. Okay, everything should be working for you.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
And when you're done shooting, if you would, return the targets to the front. Right. Because otherwise it stretches the wires out. Okay.
Alrighty.
Enjoy. Be safe.
Thank you.
Well, thank you.